Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, we will see how do we handle these sensitive values in Terraform. In Terraform, we have a variable and output to provide input to the Terraform or to print or pass the processed values from the Terraform module. We have to be very careful with the variable and the output, especially it might have a sensitive information that you don't want to share it with anyone. The issue with the Terraform is that when you do a Terraform plan and Terraform apply, it might print these information on the console, which means that whoever has access to this console will be able to see your information. To mitigate that, you have to mark the variable and output as sensitive when there is a need. In this case, I'm going to create a resource group. However, the tag has some sensitive information. For instance, the tag has PIA information. So I myself consider as a sensitive information. However, I have created a tag variable and currently marked this as a sensitive as a false. Let me do a Terraform plan here. As you see, it will print the tag information in a moment and it prints all this information here. As I said, these are all a PIA information which you don't want to print on your console. So to mitigate that, you have to mark the tag as tag sensitive. Mark it as a sensitive, and when you do a plan again, this time around, it will not print the uh, tag information, rather it will just say sensitive values, which is what you wanted to have. Now let's move forward. As you see here, I also have a Postgres resource here, in which I have a username and password, and these values will get printed as a part of our output. So let me do a Terraform plan again. So as we have the output, it will print these information on the console, which is definitely a risk. To mitigate that, you can do two things. One, you can mark your variable as sensitive. When you do so, let me do a plan again. When you do it, it will tell us that hey, the variable by itself it's a sensitive information. However, you are printing this information but not as a sensitive information, not marked as a sensitive information. So what you have to do, you have to again come here and you have to make it as a sensitive, make it as a sensitive. And now let me do another Terraform plan here. So as both the username and password are marked as sensitive, now you will not see this information here. So it will never get printed anywhere. Even here in the resource, it will mark as the sensitive. And that is how we can handle the sensitive information in Terraform. That's all we have for this video. Thank you for watching.